Holidays are approaching. You need to get a gift for somebody, maybe a couple people, but you don't have the cash right now. Well, I'm gonna give you guys a way that you can pay almost nothing down and bring home the gift today. There you go. What's going on, credit kings and queens? And like I said in today's video, man, we're gonna be talking about something called progressive leasing, where you can pretty much lease something to own it for very low costs. There's ups and there's downs to this, but we'll get into it in just a second. My name is EJ, aka Eccentric Digital Medium, and if you guys are new here, welcome. If you're coming back, you know what this is. But if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and get down in the comment section if you guys have any questions or comments. Now, let's jump right into this, man. I ain't no wasting no time today. What is progressive leasing? Progressive leasing is virtually a program that places like Best Buy have, where you can lease something. You can take something out of the store for virtually like 10 to 20% down of the total cost and walk out the store with it. Yeah, walk right out the store with it. Not walk out, but you pay for it, but you walk out. So yeah. So why would you do this? It's basically like a high-end layaway. Now, I understand 2020 has been rough for a lot of people, but progressive leasing is a way that you guys can help yourself get gifts for the holidays without having to dig into your savings or anything like that if you don't really want to. Preferably, yes, but I'm saying savings or savings. The only way I would advise, listen to me, the only way I would advise using progressive leasing is that you can 100% sure pay off the entire bill within 3 months. Because if you cannot pay it off within 3 months, your price will almost double. That is the downside. The upside is, if you pay it off for 3 months, you pay it off for like a little bit less than what it's the retail for. So, let's get into this. So, progressive leasing is a no credit check needed application. That's right, you don't need credit. They don't check your credit. Now, they do run your credit, or they do attach this to your credit if you miss your payment, like if you default on it. But it doesn't report as payments on your credit report. They don't run your credit report to do it unless you mess up. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you guys, you'll see if you actually do your own credit report, you'll see that it runs as a soft inquiry. So I've seen it on mine. I've used it before too. That's how I got this camera. I use progressive leasing. So you guys, it's a good program if you can pay it off within 3 months. They actually give you a courtesy month too, but I wouldn't put a lot of, I wouldn't hold a lot of weight to that because it's not 100% sometimes. Like sometimes they're not trying to cheat you. So yeah, just pay off within 3 months if you do it. And like I said, you pay approximately 10 to 20% of the total cost of the item down. So my camera altogether was, well, the camera itself was about $500. So I paid about, $50 to walk out the door with it. So it's a good deal. Everybody's different, so don't quote that, but you're paying about 10 to 20% to walk out the door with the item. Now they do connect to your bank account, so you do you can make your payments from the bank account through the app, or you can have it automatically come out. Now with the credit check thing, not everyone will be approved because they do. If I remember right, they use the plaid system to check your income and make sure that you have a job. So if you're not making a certain amount of money to make sure that you can cover the cost of the item, you might not get approved for it. Just keep that in mind. They can accommodate you on your paydays. They pull it out off every payday. So if you get paid bi-weekly, every week, every once a month, they can accommodate you for your paydays. Now I still have the app, but since I don't have anything active, I can't really show you guys much of what they have here. But actually the app is a pretty straightforward type thing. It's falling on my face. So that means there's not much to it. You should just get started. You can do it in store easily. You just hit the get started button, put in your information, take it to one of the sales reps. They show them the number, and you're pretty much ready to go. They scan the item, and you're good to go. I actually got this too, this MacBook Pro with progressive leasing too. Pay it off in 3 months. Pay it off in 3 months. Listen, I'm doing a lot of stuff to get you out of credit. I mean, get your credit score up and get you out of debt. So that's why I'm only recommending this if you can pay it off in 3 months. This is the most important thing I'm going to tell you for this whole video. All right. If you can't do that, do not do not do this program. All right, unless you want to pay. It's just like Rent-A-Center. If you pay like Rent-A-Center off, if you ever use Rent-A-Center errors or anything like that, you pay it off beforehand, you get a discount. You pay it off later, the interest kick in, and then you gotta pay way more than what you would. So, all in all, man, would I recommend it? Yes, if you can pay it off. Is it a good program? Yes. Best Buy is probably one of the best places to do this at. They have over like 30,000 places you can do this at. So just look it up and see what places they have it, and see if you guys can get it. Like I said, the holidays are coming, I understand. The best way to do it is to time it just right. If you can, get it around December. So when your tax return hits, bam, you're ready to pay it off. That's just my advice. You don't have to take it. You don't have to do this program. But hey, I understand. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tip. Stay up. Get your credit score up. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. This is a quick little video, man. I got another one coming up soon. So, in the meantime, man, y'all know what to do. Get your credit score up. This has been EJ, Eccentric Media. I'm out.